My Cub Cadet LT1018 won't crank. The Cub Cadet LT1018 model is one of the company's hydrostatic lawn tractors. But like other mowers and tractors in their line, the LT1018 can mow lawns if it doesn't start. If you aren't getting so much as a light indication when attempting a start and you have a full tank of gas, you'll have to troubleshoot a number of systems to figure out why your Cub Cadet won't crank. Battery connections. If you aren't even getting lights or dashboard indicators on your LT1018 when turning the ignition key, chances are that the battery is not charged or has connection problems. Examine the positive and negative connector poles on the battery for corrosion. You can clean off any corrosion with a wire brush and baking soda. Also check the connector cables and ensure they are in the right place. The red cable should be on the positive pole, while the black cable should be on the negative or ground pole. If the connections are all in order, test the battery to see if it holds a charge. If you don't have a tester, automotive parts stores typically have testers. Also check your battery's warranty to see if it has exceeded its lifespan. Electrical system. If your battery is good and the connections are in order, test the Briggs & Stratton Intech engine that powers your LT1018. The engine may not be sending voltage to the battery so it can charge. Voltage is passed through the Intech's regulator. Test the engine's regulator to see if it has working and replace as necessary. Also check for any blown fuses in the engine's electrical system. If a fuse blows due to an electrical overload, it can stop voltage from passing through the regulator as well. Spark plug condition. The spark plug condition and settings can also prevent your Cub Cadet from cranking. The spark plug gap should be at 0.030 inches, according to the operator's manual. If the gap is out of range, the spark may not reach the fuel vapors to ignite. A fouled spark plug also hampers the spark from igniting as well. The maintenance schedule dictates that you check spark plug condition before storing your mower, every season and every 100 operating hours. Safety interlock. The Cub Cadet LT1018 also has a safety interlock system designed to keep operators and bystanders out of harm's way when it is on. There is a safety switch under the seat that automatically cuts off the Cub Cadet if no one is in it. It also prevents a start. The parking brake must be engaged and the PTO blade engage knob must be pulled to the off setting before starting. To prevent engine flooding, the throttle must be in the fast position before turning the key.